Hello family, friends, and followers. This is a bedroom that I have done a lot of wall and ceiling repairs, especially in this section right here, and on this side was really bad, and this wall was extremely bad. A lot of paint peeling, I guess, from water damage in the past. A lot of stains. As you can see, all the walls are repaired and sealing. They've been sanded down with a 220 grit sandpaper on a high-speed sander. Sealing looks unbelievable. Then I sanded the walls. I primed whatever spots I needed to be primed. And now I'm doing all the cutting on the walls and ceiling. It's a gorgeous color. The homeowners have great taste in color picking. As you can see, I don't use any blue tape on my cutting. "24 years experience in painting." So the ceiling is flat white. The crown molding is a semi-gloss or eggshell. No, it's a semi-gloss that the owner picked. Windows, baseboards, all the corners were painted nicely, then scraped all the windows. You can see on my cuts, just unbelievable. This is one coat right now, and I'm about to start rolling out on the walls, then give it a second coat on the cutting, and then roll out the walls. The radiator was primed. First of all, it was wire brushed, then I primed it with this type of primer, and then I used a high heat spray can white gloss on there. It looks great. I mean, just unbelievable on the finish. It's just great. Then what I've done, this ceiling was a mess. A big mess. So I skim coated the whole entire ceiling from corner to corner. Then I sanded down. So the owner's gonna prime it and paint it himself. As you can see, the owner provided me with plastic. So I did cover up the walls from corner to corner real tight, so none of the dust will go downstairs and his family won't get sick. So again, all I'm doing here is just the ceiling repairs in this hallway. I left it ready for him to prime it and paint it, or whatever he wished to do. It's just incredible. If you look at the pictures, you will see this area by the light, how much water damage there was on there. I personally put primer oil base stain blocker, so I don't get none of the yellow stain to come back and give me any holidays. This project will take me about 5 days. I estimated about a week, 7 days, but I think tomorrow will be full day of 5 days and this would definitely be ready by tomorrow afternoon. For those who like my Facebook page, you can follow me, you can hit like on my page, you can see most of my updates. I do post something once or twice a week. I am a registered and insured contractor in Rhode Island. I don't do any work in Mass or any other state. I'm sorry for those who have called me several times, but I am not registered in any other state, so I won't do any work. Thank you for watching Touch of Class Painting video 401-696-1650. If you want, you can share my videos with your family or friends. Anyone that are looking for any type of updates in their bedrooms, hallways, homes. I do kitchen updates, I do flooring, I do carpentry, I install windows, doors, storm doors. Just go to my page, click on the photo tab, then you can click on the See All tab, and there you will find all my albums throughout the years. I have over 290 videos. I'm on Yelp, Google, YouTube, Instagram, Honeygram. Thank you again for watching Touch of Class Painting. Enjoy your day.